I grew up in Dominican Republic, where I trained initially general medical at UNIVE, University Ibero-American, and then I did my first exposure there to training in neurology for adults. So my path was a little bit different. A lot of people say that they wanted to be a doctor their entire life. I wanted to just do physics and maybe be an astronaut. Like, still when I was 16, I was saying things like that. My mother has been a big influence in my life just because she's been always involved with community work. Um, she's worked in foundations like Food for the Hungry and all those things. So we grew up just helping others that were less fortunate than us. And that basically instilled that medicine could be a tool that I could use and also help the community and do things like that. So I think in the last decade, we've done a big effort and recognition that care shouldn't be just focused on the patient. It should be family-centered care. So the entire unit is part of the team. So integrating the family, integrating their beliefs, integrating their customs, arming them with tools, with knowledge that it's going to be extremely important for them to implement as soon as the baby's going home, and basically know how to recognize certain things. It's something that I enjoy just explaining. I love teaching. Like, that's one of my big things. And I think parents want to learn. They want to do the best for their kid. So if someone can sit down and explain things and dial down the terminology and the complexity and really focusing on building them up as a unit, I think that they appreciate that. And then you see the outcomes just improving and kids not coming back and just thriving. I play tennis. So I had a pretty good group of friends back in Mississippi, and we play tennis every now and then. And then recently, like maybe 6 months ago, I got into gravel biking. So I just did like my first 50 miles the other day, and with like my group of friends, and just going out in nature, getting into the woods, and just like going through that trail and releasing, and I enjoy those things. We also have 2 dogs that we love, Basil and Mr. Dill Pickle, and we are always like looking for different opportunities for them and taking them out and doing those things.